So hello friends, our today's question is question number 136, which is a single number title. So let's read the question first. Given a non-empty array of integer nums, every element appears twice except for one. So we have been given an array of integer nums only, which is non-empty, and every element appears twice except for one. Find that single one. So only one element will not appear twice, else all the elements will appear twice. But whichever the element which is not appearing twice, which is only appearing once, we need to find that single one. So after reading this one line, my mind is thinking that we need to use unordered map. Why unordered map? Because unordered map is a optimized way to find frequency in CPP basically. So now you must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant access space. So let's read the example. Nums are given 2 to 1. Here 2 is appearing twice, but 1 is appearing only once, so answer will be 1. Here input is 4 1 2 1 2. Here 1 is appearing twice, 2 is also appearing twice, 4 is appearing once only, so answer will be 4. So here nums is 1, so 1 is appearing only once, so output will be 1. So first thing after this, after reading this question comes in my mind is we will use unordered map to find frequencies, calculate frequencies of each element. Unordered map will store two values. First int will be a number which will be key, and second will be value, how much frequency is storing, and we will name is freq because every question I write freq. I love freq because I love the name freq, that's why I am writing. You can write any name. Now what will I do is I will loop through this nums array and I will check all the how much frequencies of each element are present. So I will run a loop here and I will count all the frequencies of each element. So counting frequencies of each element is done. Now we need to check that if that particular element is appeared only twice or once. So if it is appeared only once, so we need to find that one and return it. Now what we will do here is we will run the loop in unordered map. So we will write int for int. Now we will use auto keyword and it inside we need to run inside freq. Freq is unordered map. So what we need to check that if the second key is equal to 1, because we need to check that we need to find only those only that element, not those. We need answer only one. So we need to find that element which is appeared only once, not twice. So if the frequency, because I have written here it.second. Why it.second? Because this is it.second, and what is this? The first is the key which is storing number, and second is storing value, which is how much frequency of that element is. So if it.second will be equal to 1. Basically, if the frequency count of that particular element will be equal to 1, so what we will do is we will return it dot first, because we need to return that particular element, and if this condition does not matches, we will return -1. Question has not asked us to return -1, but we will write for it for us basically. Now let's run the question. As you can see here, all the test cases are passed, and now let's submit it and check the results. Okay, as you can see here, all the test cases are passed. Runtime is 13 millisecond and beats are 10.42%. Memory used here is 23.9%, 902 MB, and beats are 7.63%. And here was the solution of this question. Thank you.